Kashino, be friends.
I just got out of the plane.
Oh my god, I died! Why is there fucking work on my
Mushroom.
I bought this game for $20. I bought it for...
Oh my god, this is kind of a...
There's so many! Lemon, jump in.
Was it Woo?
Jump where, jump where.
You died. You literally died. Way-o, walk away, yo.
I'm pretty sure Rob can still hear us. From the walkie-talkies.
Why did you lead us down to fuck?
Lemon, tell me if you can hear this. Four.
Why are my sticky keys enabled?
Number 7. Student watches porn and gets naked.
Yo, fuck you. Oh, man.
I have 2 number 9s. A number 9 live. A number 6. You know what, number 42 with dip.
I should have just played that by
I have
default.
hearing I slipped down this ledge.
I should have just played that by default.
Everyone should.
Does anyone have food?
I have a shark!
Does anyone have food? I'm gonna die. I fell down a ledge.
Holy shit, dude, look at this shark.
Yeah.
I got the head.
Let me eat some of the.
Let me eat some of the shark. There's food over here. Come over here. Follow me into
I've
the
always
water.
wanted to eat a shark.
Did you just like set me on fire?
No, I just hit you with a shark head. Just punched you.
Can I take that?
I see something black in the water.
Yo. I got a shark head.
Dude!
And meatloaf.
Yo!
We need to reference.
I
so much it becomes required viewing before watching this. That's the ultimate marketing ploy.
Wait, I can walk on top of it!
Let's go.
Holy shit!
Yo, how do you heal the game?
This is insane!
Pills!
Med.
Oh my god, we're on float.
Yeah, but wait, how do you get those?
Pills!
You can't do it.
How do you get those? How the fuck
Find
do
them
you
in
get
suitcases. Find them in suitcases.
Yo, give me some food.
Hey, yo, what's poppin', Waluigi?
There's food and water on the yacht. Come on.
I'm not hungry, but I'm still about to die.
Yo, there's also a safe.
Can I do the gun part quest this time since Jamie did it last time?
Fucking gun part quest.
I got the cassette!
I can't get out of the water.
Oh yes!
There's no greater joy.
Hold space.
Yeah, I know.
That's fucking Woodman. That's not even.
Yeah, make sure you get the cassette player.
Can I eat this one?
I'm going in over here.
Oh, I gotta go. Where's the food? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there's snacks in here you can take. Also, make sure to save.
Great picture.
Bro, you guys are missing all the air
Are you doing it over the radio?
I'm trying to answer our question. Lightning's about to die.
Swear to God.
Literally about to die, guys. This is serious. Lightning's gonna die.
Yo, I need a patch right now.
Oh shit, you good? Fucking you good?
No, he's not. He's extremely low health. We need help.
Okay, never mind. I'm healing.
If any of you have meds,
Yo, look, it's a cross.
No.
Look at this. Oh my
Guys,
god.
we gotta give him backup.
Turn around.
No.
Hey.
No.
Makes clear.
I'm coming, I'm gonna be backup, I'm on my way!
Get over there. Give me some meds on a tray, boy.
I'm on my way!
Let's take the floaty. Oh my god, I can actually go in the floaty.
I'm gonna wait for this turtle to get on land first, actually.
I'm going to save them. I've been to the yacht, that's all I needed.
Okay, here. While we're waiting for Kashino, I'm gonna find out how to make a fire. I need 7 leaves. Here, I'll just make one right now. Apparently, I can.
Dude, how do you feel?
Get more leaves. Let's go get leaves. I want to cook my food because I'm a little hungry.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the base. Oh wait, actually we could kill some turtles. We have turtles at home. We
does
don't
not
need
make
them.
it out alive.
We have turtles at home. We don't need these ones.
Yeah, I can't equip any. There's another turtle over there.
Okay,
I can't
I
stab
still got
anyone on the
armor.
wall.
I like how the armor slot isn't fully filled out. It's only mostly filled out. Ah! Freaking bats!
I got it, though.
Who's in
Oh my god! I chopped its head
I'm
off!
not. I want
How did you do
past
that?
the cave and the cat.
I held E!
shot bats at me.
Here,
Scary.
look at this! Huh?
Dude,
I'm providing backup.
Get back in the base.
Oh, there's another one.
Where?
It's right over there. It was in.
I see it.
It's right there.
Hey. Oh, you are not. Yo, it ain't that serious, though. It ain't that serious, alright?
I'm almost.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die as well. I'm at 1 health. I'm at 1 health.
Just
I can't run. I can't run!
Oh no.
I'm so dead. I'm dead, boys. I'm gonna die. I'm out also at extremely low health. There's a cannibal. He took over the base.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm coming.
Kashino! There's
I'm on my
cannibals
way.
are taking over the base.
I'm like right here. Hang on.
This was a horrible
We
idea.
both need
I please have a
medication.
large Coke with fries. Also, can I have a
That's
Travis?
not magic.
Shut the
There,
fuck
okay.
up. I'll fucking kill
Take
you.
it. Take it.
Take the meds, lightning.
Oh no, crap, I picked up a frog.
Take
Give
that.
that.
Cheese.
Okay, I got him.
Robert, do you need him too?
Yes. It almost
Okay.
killed me. It has a spear.
He has a spear. Take the meds.
I took them, but my health hasn't changed.
It goes
Oh.
up over time. It's not
Okay.
instant. So don't go back into the fray. I don't have any pills anymore, so I'm just gonna charge him.
Oh, there's another one. It just ran past there.
I need food. I have
I don't
stuff
see them.
to cook, but I was trying to make a
There's
fire.
food at the base. It's just that the base has been claimed.
base has been claimed by the naked men.
We should probably regroup.
Yes, this is a
They're
bad
all
idea.
they're all on their way. They're all coming. I've just got here first.
This is bad. I don't like this.
I only see dead bodies. I don't see any cannibals.
I think it despawned.
What happened here? What is this? What am I looking at?
What do you mean?
What is
I
this?
don't know. I didn't make that.
They all came back.
We need to finish these walls.
Waluigi's on fire! I'm gonna say this, and I'm only gonna say it once.
Fuck you.
Help! I need to make another campfire because somebody destroyed it.
No, there's one
No,
right
just
here.
Throw it in the fire.
There's food right here, Robert.
Oh.
Oh, so does that mean you destroyed another fire pit? We had built like 3.
How do you get the bones?
How do you dry food?
How am I not gaining any health? I haven't gained any health.
You move out of the way.
Are you
Waluigi,
sure
how do you
it's health
put
you're looking out?
food on
Yeah,
the
the
drying
red
rack?
thing, right?
Yeah.
Wah.
It's the red
I
bar.
don't think I'm not able to pick up the corpse anymore.
The red bar is health, right?
Cause I need like 3
Yeah.
more bones and
Yeah,
I'll
it's
be able
not
to make
moving.
a spear.
Are you at full?
No, I'm not. I'm at extremely low still.
I don't know. It
Does your
works for me.
screen
I'm not
have
full
like
now.
blood?
No.
Waluigi, how do I dry food?
Is it a glitch?
Put it on the drying rack.
Well, let me
slap you.
save and then rejoin.
Press the button. If you have meat, then you can just like.
how do I ride the zip line?
They murder you.
Where is this
Armored
board? I just want to
is
try
the
that.
best thing to make out of bones, in my opinion.
Please.
Bloods versus Crips.
It only went through the R and then I closed the game.
Yo, you know where the zip line is?
I'm good. I'm back. My
Okay.
health is still extremely low though.
Oh, there's actually stuff in here.
What do I do?
You're in the game, do pasta.
My health isn't going up at all.
And my health isn't really
You
going
have to take
up.
meds,
health.
and your health goes
Either,
up.
but-
You have
He already
Yeah,
took
I
like
know, I
3
haven't-
meds already.
Oh, I didn't take them. I just. Oh.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
Just equip them.
What?
I didn't know that. Yeah, you put.
What do you mean?
You have to use them in your inventory.
Oh.
How do I access my meds again?
I thought you were just feeding me them. Like, here we go,
They're in
baby.
your inventory underneath your backpack.
Oh, okay, now
Anyone
I'm
have a
like,
phone?
I'm eating the food.
They're like right below your backpack. They're little white bottles.
I
Does anyone have a
just
phone?
realized what that meant.
I
Okay.
do not, sorry.
I want a spear.
Anyways, I'm gonna go kill that bird.
I'm
I
building
fucking
the
stabbed a
Kashibo.
seagull before, that was so fun.
Why
I'm building the Kashibo right now.
What's up?
I'm just gonna go explore, I guess. How did the...
Oh, that's
Dude, oh, holy shit, I saw that. That was awesome. No, wait, I'm just wondering,
What if I drop off the zip
How
line
do I-
midway?
what happened at the yacht? How did it go?
Yeah, you can
We
go
got
down
a
the
bunch
zip
of
line
stuff.
up there. Like,
Cool.
It's not a death.
Whack. Alright, now what? Do we just finish the wall cabin?
Zip line. Oh!
That makes a lot of
Don't
sense.
drop off it!
I
What
don't
is
think
wrong with you?
Canute or Lemon has done anything productive at all.
Wait, let me die!
died!
Watch this die! That was the
Wait, what?
That valid? I didn't mean to press third
That off
there.
the zip line and
I didn't know!
Why did you do that?
Dead. You're running the emergency.
Yo, I'm gonna drop it. I feel like if I do this in a band, why is there a fucking fork on my desk? I can't like everyone's progressing, we're just walking to the edge of a fucking sinkhole. Oh!